Hello guys, welcome. Today we will discuss about the some important and question paper. First question, what is the effect of adding a catalyst on activation energy? B gives energy delta G of reaction. Catalyst lower the activation energy, hence increases the rate of reaction. Second, effect of catalyst on gives energy of reaction. There is no effect of catalyst on gives free energy. Question 2, write one similarities between physisorption and chemisorption. High pressure is favorable in both conditions. Question number 3, write the formula of an oxoanion of manganese in which it shows the oxidation state equal to its group number. The group number of manganese is 7 and KMnO4 potassium permanganate containing MnO4 negative ion manganate ion. The oxidation number of manganese is equal to plus 7. Next question. 3-bromo 2-methyl propanene structure of 3-bromo 2-methyl propanene. So 3 carbon, 1 double bond, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. तो नंबरिंग स्टार्ट यहाँ से करें 1, 2, 3. It means parent name propene, 2-methyl 3-bromo. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अगर हम बिफोर पेरेंट ग्रुप को यूज करेंगे 3-bromo 2-methyl propanene. Write IPC name of the following compound CS3 CS2 all twice and CS3. Given compound N and dimethyl ethanamine. Oral. Write the structure of 1-bromo 4-chloro butene. Butene, but means 4 carbon, 2 in position of double bond 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो डबल बॉन्ड की पोजीशन 2, 3 यानी 2 in 1-bromo 4-chloro 1-bromo 4-chloro यानी 1 और 4 कार्बन पर Br और Cl ऐड करें. Write the IPC name of the following compound. First, we select a longest chain 1, 2, 3 propane. Double bond containing 3 carbon, it means prop 2e as a parent. After this, OH group act as a suffix 1-ol. Before parent 3-phenyl as a group. 3-phenyl prop 2 in 1-ol. Write the mechanism, write the reaction Clemenson and Cannizzaro. Clemenson reaction. In the Clemenson reaction, CO group it means ketone. CO group converts into CS2 group. Presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, zinc plus 2HCl release ZnCl2 plus 2H hydrogen, atomic hydrogen, very reactive hydrogen. The CO group converts CS2 group. Alkane as a result. Second, Cannizzaro. In Cannizzaro reaction, no alphides in aldehyde. Aldehyde catalyst strong base. HCOH formaldehyde, no alphides, 2 mole of formaldehyde, 2 mole of formaldehyde reacts with each other in the presence of strong base. The oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. Result sodium formate and methanol as a product. This reaction also known as Cannizzaro reaction. CCl3CHO, chloryl. Second example. Chloryl, no alphides plus formaldehyde. अगर हमें क्रॉस एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन क्रॉस कैनिज़रो रिएक्शन जहां पर फॉर्मल्डिहाइड और एनीवन कोई भी दूसरा एल्डिहाइड ले सकते हैं, प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस रिजल्ट एल्कोहल एंड साल्ट ऑफ एसिड. Formaldehyde always oxidize. This reaction is known as Crouse-Cannizzaro reaction. Draw the structure of H4P2O7XeO4. जब हमें H4P2O7 की स्ट्रक्चर ड्रा करनी हो तो फास्फोरिक एसिड 2 mole of phosphoric acid remove 1 mole of H2O gives H4P2O7 as a product, and the second compound XeOF4 result square pyramidal geometry. Abnormal molar masses and colligative properties for the solute which undergo association and dissociation. Observe value of colligative property such as depression in melting point, elevation in boiling point is different from the calculated value of colligative property. Second, Van Taff factor I. The Van Taff factor is defined as I is normal molar mass upon observed or abnormal molar masses. I is equal to number of moles of solute after association oblique dissociation, number of moles of solute before association and dissociation. AB to A plus B negative. When T is equal to 0, the mole of AB1 0 0 after T time 1 1 mole dissociate result 1 mole of A plus ion 1 mole of B negative. The I is equal to number of moles of solute after association or dissociation. It means 0 plus 1 plus 1 upon number of mole of solute before association or dissociation. It means 1. So 2 upon 1. यदि कोई साल्ट का 1 मॉलिक्यूल 2 आयन में इस तरह से डिसोसिएट होता है तो उसके लिए आई की वैल्यू 2 मिलेगी. Formula of degree of dissociation alpha is equal to lambda upon lambda. Alpha is equal to 39.05 given अपने को and 349.6 plus 40.9 इन दोनों वैल्यू को ऐड कर दिया और उसके बाद 0.1 अल्फा वैल्यू अपने को मिल जाएगी. In this reaction, fluorine reacts with KCl, NaCl, result Cl2 plus F minus 1. Here fluorine act as a strong oxidizer. The reactivity oblique oxidizer nature fluorine to still as Cl2 and Br2 and I2. It means fluorine reacts with Cl minus or Br minus or I minus, result F minus 1. Strongest oxidizing agent. Fluorine act as a strongest oxidizing agent. XCF2 plus 2H2O, result Xe plus 4HF plus O2. MnO2 plus HCl, MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. What happens when PCl5 is heated? PCl5 gives PCl3 and chlorine. Give reason for the following. Acetylation of aniline reduce its activation effect. Acetylation of aniline reduce its activation effect. Reason, the lone pair of nitrogen of acetinolide interact with oxygen atom due to resonance as shown below. Hence the lone pair of electron on nitrogen is less available for donation to benzene ring by resonance. Therefore, activating effect of NHCOCH3 group is less than the amino group. Second, CH3NH2 is more basic than C6H5NH2. C6H5NH2 रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट से नाइट्रोजन पर पॉजिटिव एक्वायर कर लेती है. रिजल्ट, द लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन on nitrogen is less available for donation to benzene ring. It means is less basic than CS3NH2. Electron pair of NH2 group less available for protonation due to plus I effect, solvation effect, or non-steric hindrance. Above effect decide the basic strength of alkyl amine in aqueous state. Result, methyl amine more basic than aniline. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. The Lewis acid, which is used as a catalyst, due to this, nitrogen of aniline acquire positive charge and hence act as a strong deactivating group for further reaction. Aniline, NH2, presence of lone pair electron act as a Lewis base. AlCl3, Lewis acid, Lewis acid plus Lewis base to form complex no reaction. The thermal stability decreases from H2O to H2Te. The bond dissociation energy decreases down the group. Result, the thermal stability of hydrides also decreases from H2O to H2T. Fluoride ion has higher hydration enthalpy than chloride ion. Small size of fluoride ion favor the higher hydration enthalpy. तो यहाँ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एक से अधिक लेयर बना लेंगे, जबकि Cl माइनस की जो साइज है वो काफी बड़ी है और इस के कारण से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल की लेयर है वो बहुत कम बन पाती है और यहाँ पर इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस ज्यादा है, जबकि यहाँ पर कम रहेगा. नाइट्रोजन does not form pentahalide. It means the electronic configuration of nitrogen with n is equal to 2 has only s and p orbitals. It does not have d orbital to expand its covalency beyond 4. Define the following anionic detergent, limited spectrum antibiotics and tranquilizer. Anionic detergent, lauryl alcohol, H2SO4, H2SO4 acid, lauryl alcohol, alcohol and acid result ester, inorganic ester. जब लोरिल अल्कोहल ने सल्फ्यूरिक अम्ल के साथ रिएक्शन की तो इनऑर्गेनिक एस्टर फॉर्म हुआ। एस्टर में ध्यान रखें कि एल्कोहल H और एसिड से OH ग्रुप रिलीज हुआ है, इससे एस्टर फॉर्म हो गया। जैसे ROH प्लस HOSO2OH HOH. It means lauryl hydrogen sulfate as a product or as a inorganic ester. Ester reacts with NaOH to form anionic detergent. Narrow spectrum antibiotic or limited spectrum antibiotics. Narrow spectrum antibiotic effective mainly against gram positive or gram negative. If effective against a single organism or disease, they are referred to as limited spectrum antibiotics. Tranquilizer, neurologically active drugs, these affect the message transfer mechanism from nerve to receptor. These relieve anxiety, stress, irritability, or excitement by inducing a sense of well-being. Equinil is used in controlling depression and hypertension. Antacid, chemical which control overproduction of acid in the stomach causes irritation and pain. This type of chemicals are known as antacid. Nylon 6, it is obtained by heating of caprolactam with water at a high temperature. 6 amino hexanoic acid 1 2 3 4 5 6, यहाँ NH2 ग्रुप, यहाँ COOH, यहाँ से H और यहाँ से OH रिमूव करने के पश्चात हमें कैप्रोलैक्टम यानी एक साइक्लिक कंपाउंड मिलेगा। प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीट एंड वाटर रिजल्ट, ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा CONH वाला एमाइड बॉन्ड और हमें नायलॉन 6 एज रिजल्ट मिलेगा। नंबर ऑफ कार्बन 6, इट मीन्स 6। मेलामिन फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड, melamine formaldehyde polymer is formed by the condensation polymerization of melamine and formaldehyde. A resin intermediate is formed. Further, it polymerizes, result melamine polymer. Tetrafluoroethene on polymerization result Teflon, non-stick surface बनाने के या कोटिंग के लिए काम आता है। Teflon is manufactured by heating tetrafluoroethene with a free radical or persulfate catalyst at high pressure. It is chemically inert and resistant to attack by corrosive reagent. It is used in making oil seals and gasket and also used for non-stick surface coated utensil. C6H5 bromobenzene reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether to form C6H5 MgBr. It means a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent further reacts with CO2. Result a addition product C6H5 COO MgBr as a result. It reacts with H3O positive ion. It means reacts with water. The MgBr positive part, MgBr reacts with negative part of water. MgBr OH as a side product and C6H5 COOH benzoic acid as a main product. B. The PCl5, a halogenated agent, reacts with COOH group. OH group of COH converts into Cl. Result C6H5 CO Cl as a C. Acetonitrile CH3CN. Presence of SnCl2, stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid to form imine. It means pi bond, one pi bond converts into 2 sigma, result imine. Imine reacts with water to form CH3 CH double bond O, acetaldehyde. Alpha H containing compound, 2 mole of CH3CHO, presence of dilute NaOH, it means aldol reaction, result CH3 CH CH CHO beta hydroxy aldehyde, also known as aldol. On heating, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde as a result. given compound B, C, draw the structure of following H2S2O8. H2S2O8 की स्ट्रक्चर के लिए सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H2SO4 की स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करें टू और H2O रिमूव कर दें तो आपको पेरोक्सो डाई सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड मिल जाएगा। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ClF3 B जो पार्ट इसका है उसमें बेंट टी शेप स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगी अपने को ये, और sp3d इसका एब्रेविएशन होगा। Write the name of the cell which is generally used in inverter. The lead storage battery. A secondary cell after use can be recharged by passing current through it. Is a secondary cell. A good secondary cell can undergo a large number of discharging and charging cycles. The most important secondary cell is the lead storage battery. इसके लिए आप एक ट्रिक्स याद रखें। सबसे पहले लेड Pb, फिर Pb+2, Pb+2 को PbSO4 के रूप में लिखेंगे अपने, Pb+2 Pb+4, Pb2 Pb+2 Pb+4, Pb+2 से Pb में आओगे आप, Pb2 Pb+2 टू Pb और Pb+2 टू Pb+4, तो Pb+2 से स्टार्ट करें अपने। इट मीन्स PbSO4 अगर दोनों प्लेट पर एज ए प्रोडक्ट मिल गया तो बैटरी अपनी डिस्चार्ज हो चुकी। Pb+ अब अपनों चार्जिंग करनी है तो Pb+2 टू Pb, Pb+2 टू Pb। At anode, oxidation reaction takes place. So Pb2 Pb+2, it means oxidation reaction. At cathode, reduction reaction takes place. Pb+4, also known as litharge, PbO2. So Pb+4 plus 2 electron Pb+2. इसको तुम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, Pb to PbSO4 plus 2 electron और PbO2 to PbSO4 plus 2 electron. Calculate the number of units cell in 8.1 gram of aluminum if it is crystallizes in a HCC structure. Atomic mass of Al 27 gram per mole. 1 mole of aluminum 27 gram equal to 6.02 to 10 power 23 atoms. 27 gram, it means 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number. Number of atom per present in 1 gram, तो 27 से डिवाइड कर दें। FCC unit cell contain 4 atom, 4 से डिवाइड करें, therefore number of unit cell present, arrange the following compound in the increasing order of their acidic strength: paracrisol, paranitrophenol, phenol. CH3 group has plus R effect. It means decreases acidic strength. NO2 group has minus M effect. Result increases acidic strength. Then the increasing order of their acidic strength should be given as follows. Write the structure of product when butane 2 react with following CrO3, the oxidizer, alcohol converts into ketone, butane 2O. SOCl2, a halogenated agent, result OH group converts into Cl. Write the principle of vapor phase refining. In this method, impure metal is first converted into volatile compound by heating with a chemical reagent at lower temperature. After volatile compound is decomposed by heating to give pure metal. The Mohn process for extraction of nickel is based on the principle of vapor phase refining. Role of NaCN or KCN in the extraction of gold and silver. The metal is leached with NaCN or KCN, which is an oxidation reaction. During the process, Ag is oxidized to Ag plus 1 and more reactive metal replace less reactive metal. A collector is the chemical substance which increases the known wettability of ore particle in the froth sorting method and so used to purify the sulfide ores. Write the structure of compound ABC in the following reaction. Acetic acid reacts with ammonia. It means acid reacts with base, results salt. CS3, COO, NH4 as a salt. On heating, results CS3, CONH2. It means A. Bromine oblique cures, a Hofmann brom imide reaction. Br2KOH reacts with amide. The elimination of CO group occurs. Result CS3NH2, 1 degree amine as a B. Further, it reacts with CHCl3 and alcoholic OH, CS3NC, methyl isocyanide. C6H5N2BF4, a benzene diazonium salt, reacts with copper oblique NaNO2. It means C6H5 NO2 nitrobenzene as a main product. Reduction of nitrobenzene with Fe HCl, aniline as a result. Aniline reacts with CS3COCl, C6H5, NH single bond, COCH3 as a product. The cell in which the following reaction occurs: delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. E naught cell की वैल्यू अपने को गिवन है 0.236 एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर कितने हो रहे हैं? देखो Fe+3 कन्वर्ट्स Fe+2, इट मीन्स 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन यूज हुआ यहाँ पर. I-2I2 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज हुए, बैलेंस कर लिया. बैलेंस करने के बाद 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो n की वैल्यू 2 मिली अपने को. बैलेंस करने के बाद जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने को दिखते हैं इसमें, वो n की वैल्यू हो गई. ई नोट सेल गिवन है, T गिवन, F गिवन है 96500, तो रिजल्ट मिलेगा अपने को -NF ई नोट सेल -2 96500 into 0.236 45.54 kilojoule per mole. How many electron flow through a metallic wire if a current of 0.5 ampere is passed for 2 hours? इसमें अपने दो फार्मूले यूज करने हैं. Q is equal to Ne is equal to IT. I 0.5 एम्पियर, T 2 आवर. इसमें मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बात यही है कि 2 आवर्स को आप सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 2 into 60 सेकेंड. टाइम always convert in the second. Q is equal to Ne is equal to IT. N is equal to IT upon E. I की वैल्यू, T और इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज N is equal to 2.250 10 raised to power 16 electron. Red phosphorus is less reactive than white phosphorus. इसमें जो नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड है व्हाइट फास्फोरस में, और यहाँ जो नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड अगर आप कंपेयर करते हो, नंबर 2 लेस द स्टेबिलिटी more the reactivity. White phosphorus is less stable and more reactive because of angular strain in P4 molecule, whereas the angles are only 60 degrees. Electron gain enthalpy of halogen are largely negative. The electron gain enthalpy of halogen is highly negative because it need only one electron to achieve nearest noble gas configuration. Fluorine 9 atomic number, 2 7 plus 1 electron. Fluoride 2 8, nearest noble gas neon. N2O5 is more acidic than N2O5. इसके लिए आप ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर चेक करें. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन N2O5 +5, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ N इन N2O3 +3. more the oxidation number, more acidic nature. The following compound are given to you. 2 bromopentane, स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करें. 2 ब्रोमो 2 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन, 1 ब्रोमोपेंटेन, कार्बन 1 डिग्री 2 डिग्री 3 डिग्री एंड 1 डिग्री. 1 डिग्री हेलो एल्केन most reactive toward SN2 mechanism. It means C for A. Write the compound which is optically active. A carbon having four different groups such as CS3, Br, C3H7H is known as chiral carbon. Result optical active. Write the compound which is most reactive toward beta elimination reaction. B, more beta hydrogen, more reactive toward beta elimination reaction.